Oh my, we back here for another day, bro. We got the Heltima day one. You know what I'm saying? This the POV, the new daily, the new whip for real. We're gonna grind it out for real. I'm ready to definitely gonna go POV drive right now. Been waiting to do some shit like this. Been waiting to grind. Been waiting to make the content, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I was just standing here like ready to get the thumbnail, taking pictures of the car, bro. I noticed this, bro. Bro, what is going on, bro? Why is there something hanging, bro? Like, bro, imagine buying a car and you notice something hanging within, like, the first day, bro. But we're not gonna let that stop us, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got good warranty. You know what I'm saying? Good warranty, but we're gonna go head back up there, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna get this checked out, get this looked at, cause, we gotta make sure we good. Like, we don't know what we're getting into. It's been less than 24 hours, so I gotta take it back up there. see what they can do. But it's been driving pretty smooth. Other than that, I'm still gonna go on this POV. I just want to say what's going on for real. Be transparent, bro. Like, I'm telling y'all, real deal. Like, imagine, you know what I'm saying? I just got this car, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And it's like, yo, from this dealership. They said it was certified though from the thing, so like coverage, and I put the extra warranty on top just because it had like a lot of miles. So I feel like good. Like, I feel like, all right, everything should be covered, but I just don't feel like, damn, like, why am I keep going back to this dealership? I ain't gonna lie, there was one other thing. You see, like, I had to go back. You see how there's a triangle? I had to go back because I put the washer fluid in there. It's filled up, but it's saying it's not. Okay, we good. But it's saying it's not, so that's why I'm like, dang, I have to go see what's wrong with the sensor. Like, I looked up YouTube videos, I ain't gonna lie, like, it should be like a simple, we reset the code, right? Nah, like, I did that, it didn't do nothing. That's when I Googled it, it was like, the sensor could be bad, so. But we're right here in that Tempe Town Lake area. This is actually a cool area. I will get some more pictures, but I gotta address you feel me, the thing that's going on with the car first. Address that first. But yeah, we can still going to do our thing for real. Got the red light, bro. I went to this 7-Eleven out here in Arizona. They got this flavor, bro, the chill zone. Bro, do you see this shit? Bro, whatever. This shit crazy. It hit like a popsicle, bro. They got new unlimited flavors out here and all that type of stuff. Let's go ahead, buckle up and everything. Like, dang, bro. We're in the Heltima, bro. This is Nissan Altima. I'm gonna push it though. Finna make it do what it do with it. I at least gotta let them know, like, right now in person, that there's a problem with the car, so they could service me in there for that. Add that to the service and all that. But I feel like it's cool, like, these little things, so they could just get these things fixed. One good service trip, get the car back right. Yeah, the instruction. They take it on the highway for real. Dang, I got red lights right now. I got red lights. Sheesh. Does the Heltima have a lot of problems? Let me see if it's reliable. I don't know if it's reliable or not, because it's already, you feel me? But it's like, it kind of came like that, technically, I guess. I guess I didn't see that, I ain't gonna lie. It was nighttime when I bought a car. Like, it was dark when by the time I left the dealership, it was so dark. Bro, that was an M5 or something like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that was crazy. That's what I should be in, bro. What if I just returned the car back? I just gave it back to him. Hey, yo, let me just get my money back, y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and dip. hold it down. We can just fix everything. Yo, Visky, we back. Sheesh. It's so hard to get over, bro. Everyone driving so damn fast. Like, Jesus. Bro, what the fuck? Did you see, bro? Are you okay, bro? Like, bro, what is you doing? What's wrong with this bot? I've been cutting me off like that, bro. Like, bro, really almost crashed in my shit. No reason. But I'm recording this shit, bro. Arizona drivers are ass, bro. Like, this is something about Arizona, bro. The drivers out here are not good. At all. At all, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, it's a whole traffic jam. Roll this bit down, big dog. Load this bit down, big dog. There we go. We just gonna chill, blend in with the traffic flow, cool it. But yeah, hopefully everything good. I mean, it's running good right now. I ain't gonna lie, that little wire thing kind of got me a little nervous. Like, I wonder what the fuck that is. I wonder what the fuck that is. I'm just like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, the payment's kind of high on this bitch. Like, I ain't gonna bet to you, I'm paying $5. I'm done. I know it's like really not worth it. Like, to be honest, I know. I just need to get a car immediately, bro. But $500 for a Nissan, bro, like, I really know, you know what I'm saying, there's other cars, better options, but like, with my fucking credit and with my like situation, you feel me? I'm not trying to get like, it could be worse. Like, that's the car right there, bro. That did that shit, bro. Looking weird, bro. I'm stuck in traffic, bro. I tried to do a Heltima POV and shit did not go as planned. Shit did not go as planned, bro. This is Sunday. I didn't know this. The traffic would be out here on Sunday, I ain't gonna lie. I think I should take the car back to him, bro. I don't know, I already kind of signed everything. Got insurance. So look, you want to hold it down, but this shit crazy. I'm gonna see what happens when I go back to the dealership, though. I'll give y'all an update on the aftermath. Probably after it gets serviced, after it get fixed up. But I ain't gonna lie, the windshield is also cracked right here, but they're gonna fix that, they said. So once we get everything fixed, we should be back good running, right? But besides that, I needed to drive out of there today. I wanted to drive out with something, so I was like, yeah. But normally, I wouldn't be trying to get nothing like that. Had stuff like this going on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So it's like, you don't want to be desperate. You don't want to be like, I mean, that's what happens when you don't have no connection to nobody with a car. You feel me? You go to a new city. Sometimes you gotta get into situations where it's like not the ideal shit, because you're just like, that's all you can do almost at the time. But it'd be like that. It'd be like that. I'm gonna see you on the next video time. Oh my.